We'll have First Baptist Church on this side of the road. Check this old house out. Behind this big old tree, I can get back around it. Check that house out. Old mansion. And that's Family Dollar over there. On down. That's Main Street. I ain't going through there today. We'll do that next time. That's Family Dollar. Part of the University of South Carolina, Gamecocks, one of the buildings in Union County. South Carolina. There's the flag. They got a thrift store down here. I go down here and look, they check the thrift store out right quick. Alright, the sign right here. University of South Carolina, Union, South Carolina. Alright, then I get the thrift store. Alright, I'm gonna get in the road a little bit. Excuse me, that bicycle bouncing off the sidewalk. There's the thrift store. I'm right all the way down Main Street, just a little piece right here. I'm going to cut back across. Morning, for the batteries, the little tombstone thing set up over there. Look, go over there and look at it. I'll go Main Street later. Or I might be going up through there, I don't know. There we go. In memory of all the veterans. World War I, II, Korean, and veteran. Vietnam. And got the names and stuff over there. I don't smoke.
Why not?
I quit a long time ago.